Have you ever felt like I know English words, I know grammar, but I still don't know how to start speaking English? If yes, then this video is exactly for you. Because today I am going to share one powerful trick that can improve your English speaking. And that is the WH family. Yes, words like what, when, why, where, who, which, whose, whom, and how. These are small words, but they are very powerful. Why? Because these words helps us ask questions, make conversation and think directly in English and improve fluency naturally. So in this video, we will understand each WH words in detail with easy examples. So let's start. What is WH family? WH family means questions words. We use these words to ask questions and get information. For example, what is your name? Where do you live? And why are you sad? And these words help us communicate clearly. And now let's understand each word one by one. And first one is what. What means is used to ask about things, informations, or actions. And when we use to what to ask about something, about choice and about activities. For example, what is your name? Asking about information. And what are you doing? Asking about actions. And what is your favorite color? Asking about choice. And second is why. Why is used to ask for a reason. When you want to know the case of something, use why. For example, why are you late? Reason. Why are you learning English? And why is she crying? And why do you like reading? And for example, to answer because it improves my knowledge. And third one is when. When means when is used to ask about time. It tells us at what time, day or moment or something happens. For example, when is your birthday? And when do you wake up? And when will you come? And when does the class start? And next is where. Where is used to ask about place or location. For example, where do you live? And where is my book? And where are you going? And where did you buy this dress? And next is who. Who is used to ask about person. For example, who is your best friend? And who called you? And who teaches English here? And who is standing outside? And next one is whose. Whose is used to ask about positions. It means belonging to whom. And for example, who is pen this? And who is bag on the table? And who is phone is ringing? And next one is which. Which is used when they are limited choices. For example, which color do you like? And which book is yours? And which subject is your favorite? And next one is how. How is used to ask about method, conditions, or manners. For example, how are you? And it seems conditions. And how do you learn English? It related to method. And how was your day? And how can I improve my speaking skills? And you can see how WH family helps you think in English. If you want to think directly in English, start asking yourself WH questions. For example, ask yourself what I am doing and why I am doing this and where I am going when I will study and how can I improve my skills. And this practice trains your brain think in English. And now practice activities. Ask yourself these 5 questions. What did I learn today, and why I am learning English, and where do I want to improve, and when I will practice, and how can I practice better. And so we to learn the WH family in detail. And remember one thing, the more WH questions you ask, the better your English speaking becomes. So start practicing today, and if this video helpful for you, so like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below which WH words do you use the most. And thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.